Hey guys, welcome back to day 10 of our AutoCAD Electrical Masterclass. Today's session is all about line control, that is cleaning up and connecting your schematic like a pro. We will focus on two incredibly useful tools, trim and extend. Trim is basically used for removing extra parts of the lines or wires, whereas extend is used for snapping lines exactly where they should go. So, by the end of this lesson, you will not only know how to trim and extend lines, but also how to switch between them with a single shortcuts. Let's go. First of all, let's start with the trim. To trim, you need some object. Let us draw a line like this. Let's say this we are aligned. Say like this. So escape. So this is gonna be our line. Let's say we only need this lower bottom part. That is a triangle. We need this lower part. Then we need to trim this and this. So we can trim them by simply using trim command. Enter TRIM in your keyboard and press enter. Then you have to select the object to trim. So when you hover around it and go to the object like this, AutoCAD will show this line will be trimmed and this much line will be trimmed when you hover around it. So you can simply left click to trim the object. Similarly, I need to trim this line. So when I hover above the line, here the AutoCAD is showing me how much line will be trimmed. Then if this is my desired trimming, I can simply left click and my trim will be done. So it's quite simple. Now let's move on to extend. Let me delete this Control A and escape. Control A, sorry, and delete. Now let's talk about a real world scenarios, such as you are creating a ladder like this. Let's say a simple ladder is and escape again another line like this. And escape. Now another line here, escape, another line here. Now I need to extend these two lines to here and here to form a ladder-like structure. So for that I have to extend this line. To extend, I can simply type extend and press enter. Then I can select object. I have to select this object. When I hover over this will show how much portion will extend and where it will end up. Similarly, when I go to another point, another side, it will show where the point will be extended and end up. I can simply left click and the line will be extended like this. Similarly, I can go here and when I left click, the line will extend. Similarly, if I go here, the line will extend there. If I go here, the line will extend there. Now, as you have no object to extend to, we aren't able to extend any of these lines as there is no object to be snapped. So let me create another line. Let me escape this LIN line. And here you go. This is another line. Now press escape. Now when it extend, sorry, EXTEND, extend, the line will be extended like this and end up in this line. So I can left click, so this line will extend it. Similarly, I can left click, so this line can be extended. So this is used when drawing the rungs or wire jumps that stop just short of your ladder rails. So extend snaps to the nearest possible edge. No need to worry about the coordinates. Now another cool thing is you don't need to switch tool all the time. Simply you can use a shift to switch between extend and trim. Currently we are on the extend tool. So when I hover around an object, it will suggest me to extend. But when I press shift and hover, the same extend will be turned into trim. So I can trim like this. So when I normally hover around, this will be extend, but when I press shift, this will be trim. So extend will be trim when you press in the shift, and similarly trim will be extend when you press in the shift. So let's try with trim. You can access trim tool by simply typing trim and press enter. Now when I hover around this object, it shows me trim. So let me trim this. So we are currently on the trim tool. Now when you hover above this line also, you can see it suggests me to trim. But if I press in the shift, so the tool will be now converted into extend like this, and I can simply left click and use this to extend. So now what are these use cases in electrical drawing? They are used for clearing up ladder diagrams, extending wires to symbols or connectors, cutting unnecessary wire jumps, finishing incomplete busbars or terminal strip. These small touches makes our drawing readable, complement and professional. And that's the wrap up for day 10. You have learned how to trim command to remove excess lines, extend command, and switch between trim and extend. Your day 10 assignment is as always in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment if you got any questions. Thank you.